Hi, my name is Carly and I'm at the BYU Software Training Lab. In this video, we're going to be talking about typing tools. First, I'll select the text tool. You can also use the keyboard shortcut T. You can either click and drag to create a text box, or click once to create an open-ended text box. I'll click once to create an open-ended text box and type a word. After typing, you can edit your text in the Properties panel. You can change the font, and there are hundreds of them to pick from. And you can even filter the fonts if you're wanting a certain look. So if I filter my fonts to only give me bold serif fonts, I'll be able to choose from all the bold serif fonts that Adobe offers. I'll choose this one. You can also change the font size by using these up and down arrows, this drop-down menu with preset numbers, or you can type in a number yourself. You can also change the size of your text box, and that will change the size of the font as well. If you hold Shift, it will keep your proportions the same. The next type tool is typing on a path, so I'll create a circle that I'll use as my path. You can use any shape or line, but I'll just use a circle for this example. Once I have created that, I'll use my Type on a Path tool. As soon as I click on my circle, it'll automatically put words around the outside of the circle. I'll decrease the size of them and type something. You can adjust where the words are on the path with these two lines next to the words. Click and drag those and it'll move your words to where you want on your path. The final type tool is vertical type. It works the same as the regular type tool, but anything you type will be vertical rather than horizontal. That is how to use type tools in Illustrator. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more, visit our YouTube page where you can find more videos about Illustrator as well as other software programs.